To Caymanas Park with a sparkling three-timer on Thursday's Independence Race Day program. Spencer Darlington spoke with the Panamanian rider.
Dick Cardenas, who began riding in Jamaica 12 years ago, recently returned to the island and resumed riding at Caymanas Park last Saturday. He went winless on that program but was among the highlights on the Independence Day card, guiding home 3 winners. He opened the program with the Victor Williams trained 39-1 outsider Fabulosity and quickly followed up in race 2 aboard the 7-2 chance Enough Is Enough for his former governor and champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes. Cardenas closed out his three-timer astride the 8-5 chance, Step in Faith for trainer Ian Prasad in race 7. With the COVID-19 pandemic wreaking havoc in U.S. states like Florida, where Cardenas was based at Gulfstream Park, the 36-year-old rider took a calculated decision to return to Jamaica.
Over there, I don't like how the thing going because the coronavirus affects everybody. I realize in Jamaica they care more about that. So I decide, I have kids. I say I don't want to then get sick or nothing, so I decided to come here. I feel very happy to see my crowd again and come back to the track and call my name, White Jesus. It feels floor, I feel happy.
In the meantime, Cardenas has decided to freelance among various stables at Caymanas Park.
I don't have no stable right now. I'll be running for everybody.
However, he remains undecided about the duration for this latest stint.
I don't know. I tell it true. As long as I can.
Like for the rest of the year?
Yeah, sure.
Cardenas, who won the local jockeys championship in 2011, has so far ridden a total of 649 winners in Jamaica. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.